नमस्ते। बार काउंसिल ने लॉयर इकबाल मलिक करकरडुमा कोर्ट को सस्पेंड कर दिया। क्यों? ही वॉज यूजिंग हिज चैम्बर्स फॉर रिलीजियस कन्वर्जन। जी हाँ, जो स्पेस ऑफिशियल प्रोफेशनल वर्क के लिए लॉयर्स को दिया जाता है वो उसमें कन्वर्जन्स कर रहा था। लॉयर्स को अपने चैम्बर मिलने में बहुत समय मतलब ईयर्स भी लग जाते हैं और वो उसको इन इलीगल एक्टिविटीज़ में यूज़ कर रहा था। Suspension happened obviously prima facie. Here investigation will happen, but prima facie suspension is very rare. It means issue is very serious. Facts are: first, chamber has been used for antisocial and illegal activities to such extent that in his chamber conversion of religion and Muslim marriage nikah are being performed. यस, उसके चैम्बर में रिलीजियस कन्वर्जन और निकाह मतलब मैरिज कराई जा रही थी। सेकंड, निकाहनामा मैरिज सर्टिफिकेट नंबर X dated 3rd June 2021 in respect of complaint. Yes, somebody made complaint to Bar Council about religious conversion. What was shocking is that the address on marriage certificate is F322 Karkarduma, 3rd floor, Mazar Wali Masjid. The address of his chamber has been described as Mazar Wali Masjid, which made allegation made in complaint much more serious. जी हाँ, जो चैम्बर लॉयर को अलॉट होता है उसने उस चैम्बर को मज़र वाली मस्जिद बताया. See its importance. How can a chamber allotted to a lawyer on 3rd floor of a building called Chambers Block can be described as masjid? It is a very serious thing. The notice also says it. Third, the chairman of the Delhi Bar Council has been ordered for constitution of a special disciplinary committee comprising of 3 members to immediately investigate the matter. Fourth, the Bar Council of Delhi stated it was revealed from the documents that a conversion trust was also run by Malik from his chamber. Yes, conversion trust in his chamber. The name of Qazi has been mentioned as Muhammad Akbar Tahelvi. The complainant has also alleged that his daughter has been forcibly converted as a Muslim and married from his chamber, which is also shown as a mosque. A copy of complaint has been attached. With respect, the certificate of conversion as a Muslim has been issued by Al Nikah Trust. A chamber is given to a lawyer for a professional activity, not to do religious conversion, nikah, etc. If you want to do nikah, religious conversion, just go and register yourself according to your religion to do such activities. Nikah, religious conversion as a Muslim are not professional activities for a lawyer. Yes, a prima facie action, only interim order is there and investigation need to happen.